Think your cracked leather seat is beyond repair? Watch this. Instead of replacing the entire seat, this technique stitches and rebuilds the damaged area step by step. First, the surface is cleaned and prepped to remove dirt and loose material. Then, a special filler is applied and carefully stitched to restore strength and structure. After that, it's sanded smooth to blend perfectly with the original leather. Finally, color is matched and sprayed, making the repair almost invisible. This method saves money, keeps the original seat, and delivers a factory-like finish. Would you try this instead of buying a new seat?